Hello and welcome to the video tutorials for the FlameTracker application. In this video, we'll cover the first steps needed to launch the application, and for more information, you can always check the wiki pages and the links available in the video description. To start, we can go to github.com and type FlameTracker in the search box and look for the combustion tools/FlameTracker repository. When we open the FlameTracker page, we have access to the contents of the repository. On the right, we have a link to the executable release, and below we find the README file, which contains some high-level information on how to use and modify the code. More information on how to use the FlameTracker, along with examples, can be found in the wiki pages over here. And on the right, we have the list of the different sections of the manual. Let's see now how we can run the FlameTracker. First, we need to install all the required packages and then run the code. We can refer to the codes and packages section of the wiki pages for a step-by-step guide with all the links that we need. First, we need to have Python 3 installed. In case you don't have it, it can be downloaded directly from the Python website, but the installation depends on your operating system. So this second website has specific guides for the most commonly used operating systems. Once we have Python 3, we will need to download the packages required for the FlameTracker. These packages are listed here, and they can be easily installed with the package installer for Python called pip. With this method, by simply copying and pasting the command line in our terminal, it will directly install the PyQt5 package, for example. There are several methods to install Python packages, but keep in mind that Mac and Linux users might have to type pip3 instead of pip to make sure that the packages are installed in the Python 3 version instead of the default Python 2. If I didn't have this package, the installation would have started, and once it be done, we could repeat the same process for the other packages. We are now almost ready to launch the FlameTracker, but first we need to replace one of the source files in one of the packages. This file is called legenditem.py, and it's related to the visualization of the legends in the FlameTracker graphs. We first need to locate the packages folder, but this depends on where and how you install Python 3. If you don't know where the site packages folder is, you can type the command python-msite in your terminal or command prompt and see the full path. There could be more than one, but usually we should follow the one directly from the Python 3 folder. And note that these locations are usually hidden by the operating system, but you can access to them by clicking on go to folder, for example, on a Mac, or check the box for showing the hidden files in a Windows file explorer. By following the path shown on the wiki page, we can locate the legend item file. We can find the file to replace in the repository. Once we download and extract the folder, the legend file will be inside scripts and other. And we can replace it in the site packages folder. Now we are basically ready to go. If we look back at the script folder, inside it we find the Mac and Windows version, and I can access to the script folder from the terminal. In this case, I moved the FlameTracker folder to the desktop, and once I am in the right folder inside of the terminal, I can run the flametracker.py file, and the graphical user interface will appear. We are now ready to use the FlameTracker. In the next video, we will see how to open images and videos and edit them before the analysis. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.